You went to Chile?
From Chile, we are in Chile, man. I miss you.
Hey,
Marto.
Whoa. Yeah.
Estamos por hacer las compras acá, bachín. Mirá cómo está lloviendo.
And we hit the road right now.
Mirá cómo está. Mira, la garcha esto.
Sí.
I saw you, brother. I saw you, baby. Yeah, man. Can I get you ready? Yeah, buddy.
I don't even see the road, man. I don't see the road.
Yeah.
No, give me a right.
It's hard, bro. It's hard. Look at all the rain. Look at what we got to face.
I'm speeding. This is Children's Museum, right?
You're going fast, buddy.
I know, right?
You're speeding?
Yeah. I wanna hit 80.
But it's it.
Fuck, that guy is in front of my road. This Children's Museum.
Tell that guy get the fuck off, man.
Yeah.
A little kiss for the guys. How was it? Again, for the ladies.
Welcome to Miami. I can see Miami Beach. That's my home, man.
We are going to South Beach.
Yeah, South Beach, Miami.
You
How we
cannot
going?
see
I
what?
keep it right?
The rain is dropping. Yes. Oh,
keep it
look,
left?
bro. You can even see the end of the road.
Yeah. You can't even see my building. Oh, look at Carnival, stuff like that.
The port of Miami.
Port of Miami.
Exportation, importation,
Export and import.
black market.
Russian prostitutes.
Oh, Russian what? Prostitute?
Russian prostitutes, yeah. That's what we do, you know?
This is where the stuff you don't see happens.
This is high speed now. 20. 120. Woo.
Do it, buddy.
I do it. I kill it.
Kill it.